So today we're going to show you one of the more interesting features on the Apple Watch. And you really need this if you go to the cinema often or the theatre. And it's called Theatre Mode. So all you do is, once you're on your home screen like this, all you do is just swipe up, scroll down a little bit, and where you see these two masks here, just simply click that. And it's going to turn yellow and the bell icon's going to turn red. And the cool thing about this is, if we cover it up, it goes black. And as you can see now, the always on display is not on. And if we want to turn it on, or we want to take a peek at the time, let's say we're in the movies, I want to see how much longer we've got left. We can always just crank the little knob, and there you are. It also affects the brightness, and you can go back the other way to turn it off. And slightly on. It also means your notifications won't go off on your watch when it's on, so that's good as well. To turn it off, all we do, scroll up and just hit it again. And that's how you use Theatre Mode on the Apple Watch. It's a pretty useful feature. What do you guys think?